What's exactly your problem? What's the problem? Why do you always in the street? Huh? What is the problem?
Yeah, don't worry.
I want to assist. I buy you food. I have this beer. Huh? What? Excuse me? That's the food? Yeah? Then this is the rice. Then this fish and everything. Yeah? You have my donuts and everything. So my brother, so what I'm trying to say is that we'll try to see what we can do to assist you. Huh? Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about one woman when I see where they craze for where they, in fact it be like who gets cause for head because she dey street now, she dey stranded, she need people to help her. So I see one man the video and just now they ask and say wetin be problem. Me they see and say they sleep for street and they beg for street. So the woman say in they homeless, in no get house. Why I they do this video be say many of una wey dey feel say una family member dey Europe o, I get sister for Europe, una no know wetin they pass through, una go dey ask money, they beg money. But una come see una sister na dey street, e no get house for Europe o. E no get house. She dey homeless. Na house that she dey look for now. Even when the man give her food just now, he rush am because he dey hungry. She not get anything to eat. So anybody wey go fit help am, make una help am. Any support una fit give this our sister. Not be only saga una go just dey share. At least this one dey important, you understand? Make una share the video, make it reach everybody hand. Any support una fit still give the woman, make una give am abeg. I use God take beg una because the way the woman dey now, she dey homeless, she need help. Like seriously, she need help. So any help una fit give am abeg, make una give am abeg. I use God take beg una. Anything una fit do for am, una do for her because for when somebody call the sleep street, you know say e don red. E don really red, like e don serious. So anything una fit do for this our sister, make una do for am. I use God name take beg una, my people. Thank you, my darling. Please help me to share the video. I'll put the video down more and see am. Let me share am abeg. Let me share am. That and when you go take share am, you no go do you anything. Go only bring good thing for you. Good news for you. Thank you, my people. Bye.
Tired? So, excuse me, you are from Nigeria, right? Huh? Where in Nigeria? Huh? Which state of Nigeria? Which state in Nigeria? Because I met you last time. What did you tell me? You say you're from Nigeria, right? Hmm? Why are you here? Huh? What? You are tired. Why are you drinking this beer? Huh? What's exactly your problem? What's the problem? Why do you always in the street? Huh? What is the problem?
Yeah, don't worry.
I want to assist. I buy you food. I have this beer. Huh? What? Excuse me? That's the food? Yeah? Then this is the rice. Then this fish and everything. Yeah? You have my donuts and everything. So my brother, so what I'm trying to say is that we'll try to see what we can do to assist you. Huh? Yeah? Nigeria Association. Yeah.
Those association. They could help me with money.
You wanted to help you?
Yes.
What exactly do you want them to help you for?
For money.
For money. So what do you want with that money? What do you...
Because I'm homeless.
You're homeless. And that's your condition.
That's just the problem I have.
That's only the problem you have.
Yes.
And once you get home, everything will be okay.
Yes.
Will you stop drinking alcohol? Because I see you're having a beer with you.
Yes. Because I'm homeless. I stopped it before.
You stopped it?
I become homeless. I started drinking.
Yeah. And once you get this, you will stop, right?
Inside the park,
There's a fork inside.
There's a fork inside. Check.
Well, my brothers, I think there is nothing I can do. I have an association and I have an organization that called Nigerian Stars Foundation, and I'm from Nigeria. Probably she's from Nigeria, but we're not from the same state. But at the same time, he's in Nigeria, so and I live here. I live in Belgium here. So I would like to call upon the people from also from the state and also from the community to see what we can do for her. Because there's no spoon there. Oh, sorry. You can, no, it's all right, no problem. So please, you guys have to see this guy, this woman, the way you see. Then I don't know what to say about this situation, but I think we have to do something about it. Yeah.
I dropped them with the shop. But I can't leave my children with their
brother, you have to do something. You have children, yeah.
You have children here?
Yes, sir.
How many children do you have? How many children do you have?
2 girls.
2 girls. How old?
I have the one of 12 years, I have the one of 4 years.
You have the one of 12 years?
Yes.
And you have the one of 4 years?
Yes.
Yes. You know what? You know what you have to do now? Huh? I will see what we can do to assist you. Huh? I will see what we can do to assist you. Mostly to get you a home. Okay?
That's just my problem.
We will get you a home.
Because those songs.
But if you will stop, if you promise me one thing, if you can stop alcohol, I will assist you. If you promise you will stop alcohol, I will assist you.
When I was happy to go,
if you have a home,
money.
Brother, you said you stop.
If you can stop,
yeah. I was having money. I stopped because I was perfectly okay.
You're perfectly okay. And because of the condition, lead you into alcohol.
Because I'm on
Okay.
No, it's because of the condition she's living.
Yeah.
So she will leave. When he go back to the normal life she was living before.
Yeah. All right. You guys have to see. I'm in a street of Bruises, and I'm just meet our sister. And these are the friends that are around, and they are Africans, and they see the condition. They really pity her. And I can call upon our people to see what we can do about it.
If I'm living, I'm living in other village, other state, otherwise I should have done.
Oh.
No, many years.
Where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Ghana. I live here for 39 years.
For 39 years?
Yeah.
Wow, that's good. That's good. So please, you guys have seen the condition, and there's nothing we can do to assist this young woman. We will try to see what we can do. So, where do you normally stand in this station? If I want to see you, where can I see you? Do you have a temporary apartment? Where do you stay? Yeah, in Bruises North here. Where do you normally stay in Bruises North? But where do you sleep? Perfect place I can meet you. If I want to meet you now. If people want me to meet you. But normally, where do you sleep in the night?
Huh?
Where do you sleep in the night?
For example, you want to find me.
I want to find you now. Where am I going to find you?
Tomorrow, anytime you want to find me, where can she find you?
Maybe here.
Here.
Okay.
Here? Okay, then no problem. Just stay cool. And for now, I'm sorry, I will take out this beer. Okay?
No, but leave it.
You see the problem now?
No.
Now, if you want me to agree with you, first of all, give me the beer. Huh? You see this beer is the problem. Can you give me the beer now?
And this beer is very, very strong.
Huh? Can you give me the beer now? No? All right. It's okay. I will see what I can do. Huh? I will come back. Money to drink beer. I can't give you money.
Money to drink beer.
That's the problem. That's the problem. That's the problem now. You make me to understand that the problem is the beer. You understand me? That's not normal. Can you give me the beer now? Can I assist you with beer?
Leave it.
I should leave it?
Yes, you help me. Leave it. I said so. I stay with my people in Africa. I've done a little good in Africa. I have about 2 flats.
You have 2 flats?
Yes, in Africa.
So why are people not asking of you? Who is taking care of that flat now?
They eat my money.